Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see over the past few days we have finally broken out of that range that we have been in for a good while for Polygon here. You can see very clearly that we've outlined this range here, where we have just been essentially chopping it sideways ever since really July here. We obviously had that massive swing low for Polygon, where we saw that swing low for Bitcoin as well, all the way down here around 30 cents. Since then, we've actually done a 4x, so congratulations to anyone who bought this low. In the space of, June, July, August, September, October, now November, in around 6 months, you've made yourself a 4x from that low to the current price, which is obviously very, very nice to see, so congratulations to you. And, Polygon looking very strong, isn't it? I mean, it's only down, 40 or 50, maybe 60% from the all-time high. The current price, 60% from the all-time high, which is really, really, really doing very well in comparison to a lot of cryptos, isn't it? Obviously, Bitcoin's still down over 70%. Most altcoins down 90 or 95% from their all-time high. But, a lot of these layer ones and layer twos, especially like, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, they're all showing a lot of signs of life, aren't they? We do think particularly Polygon is doing very, very well in the face of the wider market. Ethereum also doing pretty well. And there are a few others that I can't think of off the top of my head, but their charts are doing extremely well as well. Binance is also doing extremely well. Obviously, that platform is absolutely incredible and absolutely massive as well. So the token is basically representing the value of that company right now. But you can see, Polygon is doing very well, isn't it? In our opinion, we've cleanly broken out of some bear market resistances here. Resistance, this trend line resistance. We break out, we backtest support, we run up to the top of the range again, and cleanly getting a breakout over the past few days, looking very bullish. And in our opinion, as you've no doubt seen, we've gotten stuck from that swing high to the swing low here. We have got stuck under our 618, a massive, massive key level of resistance that does need to be broken to get those full reversals, because, technically we could still, even though we have made, higher high, higher low, higher high, looking like a bullish market structure here, there's still potential for this to be a macro lower low, lower high, lower low. And as we know, the 618 being a very critical level of resistance. Usually in downtrends, you do see yourself getting stuck under the 618 as a retracement level before continuation to the downside. So just some food for thought there. But, overall, we're thinking Polygon, it's looking pretty good right now. There's actually no bearish divergences here really either. You can see here, we run up here, we cool off, we run up here, we cool off, and then hopefully we'll see ourselves, forming this higher high, higher low, higher high. If we can come back down and test a higher low at the 050, that previous range high, which we did get stuck under here, that would be very nice to see, wouldn't it? And then continuation of this trend, because, we are seeing a lot of signs of life in the crypto space in general for a lot of cryptos from what we can tell from the technicals. But obviously we'll always just tell you what we can see. And right now, Polygon still got a lot of work to do to get back towards those all-time highs. But in comparison to a lot of cryptos, which are still down 95% from their all-time highs, Polygon is a crypto which is looking, it's looking pretty damn good, isn't it? Let's be honest. I mean, this is potentially a bit of a bump and run pattern, isn't it, as well? If you have your, your resistance, your massive capitulation, you run all the way back up to your resistance, you break out, you back test, and now maybe we could start to see Polygon running to the upside. But overall, looking very bullish. You can see our key levels here that we are currently stuck under. That 618 is a critical level that needs to be tested and broken, isn't it? Because you can see here, this was our previous level of support flipped into resistance. So it remains to be seen what's going to be happening with Polygon here, but we do think probably a retracement from this level is likely. But our targets to the upside, we do want to see heading up to the, towards that 150-ish level. That's a very, very key psychological target in our opinion. Obviously, currently stuck here under the 618, so this is a big level of resistance. But we'd say realistically, a rollover here is probably more likely over the next few weeks. Probably head back down, retest that key level of resistance flipped into support, hopefully at the 050, along with the $1 level. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.